Struggling with addiction as a couple? Your journey to healing starts today. Addiction affects more than just the individual, it can challenge your whole relationship. But Drug Rehab for Couples is designed to help you both recover, rebuild trust, and move forward as a team. Couples Rehab combines individual therapy and joint sessions, so you're healing yourselves and your partnership at the same time. Together, you'll uncover the root causes of addiction, learn healthier ways to cope, and communicate more openly. With support from specialized counselors and group therapy, you and your partner can rebuild what addiction tried to break. Mindfulness, stress management, and emotional connection are all part of the journey. When couples recover together, they lay the foundation for a stronger, happier future, side by side. Ready to take that first step? Visit couplesrehabs.org to learn more. You don't have to do this alone. Healing is possible, together. Subscribe for more support, and share this video if you know someone who needs hope today.